vibe and the vibe brigade. So tonight we losing this fight, okay?
Yo, what is going on, guys? The Beast, your money here. Today, you've seen the title, that's why you're here, and yeah, I like to fidget a lot. I am, like, every time I'm in class, I just mess around with a lot of stuff, and clicking pins, you know, chewing on them, everything that was I don't know why I grabbed that, it was kind of sticky. No, but, if you see, my teeth are blue. I just got done eating a blue sucker thingy. My hair is really bad. Yeah. God, here we go. Which one should you buy? I don't know which one you should buy. It's probably up to you. I mean, the fidget spinner, the fidget cube is more of like a, I like the fidget cube. It's really nice. Ever since it came out, like, you already know the story. The Kickstarter raised over like $9 million, whatever, $9 million, and yeah, everybody was rolling when it was taken out. But there's a new thing was spinners, and like they're just bearings inside of I don't know, like plastic. If you were wondering where I'm at, I'm like inside. Washing dry, like washing in the garage. That's why it's in a different place, but basically it's just ball bearing inside of it. Yeah, it's crap right here. I did not buy it offline. I bought it from a guy at school. He bought it at the mall for $20, and I bought it from him for 10. So it's fun. It's fun. Like I said, the fidget cube is more of like a relaxed version of fidgeting with the same class or reading a book. Just reading a book, that's fine. Read a book. We got the little grids here. Work fine. The little ball. The ball is my favorite. The ball, yeah, it's soothing, I guess. You got the joystick. The buttons, and then they're silent, and a little glider, like this goes, just glide it. I think this one's called Breeze or whatever. I don't really like it, it's kind of weird. I mean, it's smooth, it feels nice, relaxing. Gabe really likes that one a lot. You got the clicker, like the flick thing. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This is more for like relaxed people. Most people like this one in school because, like, I guess we're more hyper in high school, and everybody just knows like this. Makes see how fast you can make it stand, or how fast, or you spin on the table and see how fast you can get it, and that's just the way people like it. This is for like more like active people like me. I like this one a little bit more. I mean, a fidget cube, don't get me wrong, I love the fidget cube. Like, if I'm just sitting there watching YouTube or something, and you just want to mess with something, the fidget cube, like, all the way. This, I mean, you can do the same thing, you can, but this is like, if I'm sitting in class and like I'm bored and like you're done with your work and stuff, you can just sit here and just spin it and just see how fast you can get it, and it's just really smooth. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you're a more relaxed person, say get the fidget cube. If you're more of a hyper, just, I know it sounds weird because if you've never had one and like held it in your hand like this, ever since I got the fidget cube and I've seen this, I wanted this. And when I seen the Kickstarter for fidget cube, that's all I wanted. I didn't want anything else. I wanted the fidget cube. Ask Kenny. Ask anybody. That's all I wanted. And when Kenny finally handed me one, and I just played with it. I still play with it. I've had it for like, I don't know, 2 months. It's really addicting. This, I don't know. You've seen this? I mean, I'm not teaching you anything new. It's the same thing, like you've seen on all the videos. But yeah, I just wanted to do one. Which one do you like better? Tell me which one you like better in the comments, and if I should give the fidget spinner away, because I really like it, but I don't know if I should give it away. But if you want me to, and I can do another giveaway, if we get to, I don't remember the mark that we're at right now. Holy crap! Hair, that is so bad. I'm gonna have to get another cut, but it looks really bad. I'm probably gonna be watching this in like the future and it's gonna be like, why do my hair like that? And today is just a bad hair day. This part right here really gets my nerves. But yeah. Which one? Which one do you like the most? Let me know in the comments below. Today, I just wanted to do a video. It's been like 3 weeks since I've done a video, and I just thought, like, since the new thing is fidget spinners and fidget cubes and which one, and there's like a big debate about it. I mean, the fidget spinner is personally my favorite, but I really love the fidget. It's like right, like if they were right here, it's not like right here in the fidget cube. No, it's like right close, like a fidget cube. I'm on YouTube a lot, and just like to mess with something and fidget cube all the way. But if I'm in like class, so fidget spinner. I don't know. I just wanted to upload a video today, so I just decided, no, why not? But leave a like. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's been the Beast Money, and I'm out. Peace.